Welcome! If you're looking to filter Instagram comments by author, you're in the right place. Whether you want to keep your comment section organized or focus on specific conversations, Instagram's Filter by Author feature makes it easier than ever. Let's walk through the updated steps together so you can quickly find comments from the people who matter most. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to filter comments. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From this menu, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of your interactions, including your comments. Inside the Your Activity menu, find and tap on Comments. Here, you'll see a list of all the comments you've made across Instagram. To narrow things down, look for the option labeled Filter by Author. Tap on it to bring up a list of people whose posts you've interacted with. Now simply choose the author whose comments you want to see. Instagram will instantly filter the comments, showing you only those made by or on posts from the selected author. This feature is perfect for revisiting conversations, tracking feedback from specific followers, or managing engagement with your favorite creators. By using Filter by Author, you can cut through the clutter and focus on the discussions that matter most to you. It's a streamlined way to manage your Instagram interactions, whether you're a content creator, a business, or just someone who loves staying organized in the fast-paced world of social media. Try it out today and see how much easier it is to stay connected with the voices that matter to you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to explore more Instagram tips to make the most of your experience.